everyone, it's Ty Gillette. I'm back with a braid and cornrow tutorial for those who had requested it after my last video. My hair is in a stretched state. Before I show how to cornrow, I'm going to show the basics of braiding. You're always going to have 3 sections when you braid. This is how you will start any braid. You're going to take the left section, move it to the middle, take the right section to the middle, take the left section to the middle, take the right section to the middle. Now, pay attention. As I'm grabbing it over to the middle, I'm going behind. So grab it, go behind to the middle, grab it, go behind to the middle. And as you get that rhythm in your head, you can go a little faster. It'll get a little easier. Now, here's the part that most people are looking to learn. So when you cornrow, I like to start with taking just a small section at the head of the braid section. I'm going to split it into 3 sections, and I'm just going to braid it how I do a basic braid. So you're going to have your 3 sections right here. So go ahead and pull that left section over to the middle, and that'll get you back to the reset. And then pull the right section over to the middle. Make sure as you're pulling them over to the middle, you're pulling behind. So pull that left section behind and over to the middle, and pull the right section behind and over to the middle. Okay, so after a few rounds of regular braiding, we're here and we can begin adding hair. So now when I grab this left and pull it over to the middle, I'm picking up hair as I do it. So now I'm here. I'm going to do the same thing as I grab over to bring the right side to the middle. I'm going to bring it over, picking up hair, and that'll get me in the same reset position. So I'm going to continue doing that on each side, grabbing hair as I pull each side over to the middle. So this is what it looks like in real time. You're just going to gradually add on hair as you pull each section over to the middle. I'm going to finish this braid up and show you one more time on a different braid, hopefully to get a better perspective or view of it. So again, we have our 3 sections that we begin with. I'm going to pull that left side over to the middle, then I'm going to pull the right side over to the middle. After 2 or 3 rounds of regular braiding, we're going to grab the left side while grabbing hair, and just enough, not a lot of hair. And then you're going to grab over to the right side, pulling it over to the middle as you add on hair. So the trick or the difficulty with cornrowing is really trying to get an idea of how much hair to add with each section that you pull in, but definitely practice that. That's something you will probably only get with practice. So just keep practicing it. As long as you know the step-by-step instructions, you can just keep practicing the pattern and you'll get the hang of it as you can see what it looks like as you're doing it. So you can go back and watch different parts of this video. Ultimately though, the best teacher will be you just practicing and being hands-on. So now that you have the steps, you just have to put them into practice. The more you try, the more you get better at it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys on my next video.